So I was told that some of us could not use the Elementor or navigate it well. So tonight class, we will be able to just do some maybe do something about the landing, how we can do, build our landing page using our Elementor. So that's what we're going to do this evening. Then to how we'll be able to do it then. If time permits us, maybe we can just try to navigate through maybe the what's it called, business manager. Yeah. So I don't know. I want to believe that every one of us will have a business manager open already, our portfolio as well. So that's if time permits us anyway. So but tonight basically we should be able to do as in comprehensive work on Elementor. Landing page using Elementor. So all right, so I will start now. So I will start now. Maybe others will join. I was just trying to give us time, but we are just how many in the class now? We are just 11 in the class, and we are more. I think we are more, but let me just try. I'll just move. Now, please help me to confirm if you can see my screen. We all see my screen.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much for that.
I will plug that.
All right. I will also all just well, if you're not talking, please. Mute our mic. So I want just to mute our mic, please. Unless the person that can just answer. Please help us to mute your mic. I don't want to mute everybody's mic. Please help us to mute. All right, so then let me just let's start. So now from the start to the scratch, the first thing that I will just navigate myself down to my website first. So then how do I get to my website? That's the first question needed. So how do I get to my website? So how I get to my website is still your normal, there are different ways, but the major one is going through your website through wp.admin. So your domain name, you are going to write your domain name. So for instance, now my domain name is digital class.shop. So because that's the domain that we purchased for the course. So digitalclass.shop/wp-admin. So I want to believe that we are all familiar with this, right? So please, are we all familiar with this? So you can just give a smiley or emoji on the message chat, or so that we know that you are with me. So that will help me as well. So I want to believe that we all know WP admin, how to navigate our way through it. So that means what you do on your own end, you are going to type your domain name. And I believe by now we all know what is called our domain name. I want to believe so. All the .shop, .shop that we all have, that's our domain name. I remember we are all asked to produce a particular name to give a name. So then whereby attached with an extension. So our name attached with an extension, .shop.org. But for this course, we are using .shop. So then /wp-admin. So that's how we navigate through. So then I enter. Then it will take me to my dashboard. So I don't know if you are having your this thing too. We can be practicalizing as well because it will help you then. But since we are also recording as well, so after the class we can as well have the access to that. Then after that you have once you're on your dashboard, so the next thing we do now is to go to pages. So I want to believe that everybody here now, we have our Elementor installed. I need someone to just answer that. Oh, thank
yes, I have my Elementor with me.
All right, thank you. I see. Then I navigate through my page. So on your this thing, you look through your dashboard. So let me just get my mouse to navigate that. So if you look at your dashboard on your left-hand side, on your left-hand side, you will see dashboard, home, Elementor, post, media, pages. So we can all see that. Media pages. So what we just need to do, we click on the pages. So that's the first thing, pages, because it's on page we develop and we build our website. Because it's on page we build our website. So we just go through the page. So then I click on the page. So look at my page now. So this is where it's taking me to. That's the next interface. This is my page. So what next will I do when I get to my page? So the next thing I will do when I get to my page is to look for where I can see add page. My mouse not working. You try to navigate and try to see where it is written add page. Sorry, I don't know what's wrong with my mouse. I don't know what's wrong with my mouse. So just follow me, please. So on the dashboard, you will see something like add page. So this is add page. You can see page. So add page is here on the box. Add page. So sorry, the mouse, I don't know why it's not navigating. It's not moving. So, but just bear with me. So, but can we all see the add page? I'm looking at it here. It's
Yes,
under get. Okay, under get discount. So I will click on that add page, because if you don't click on add page, you will not. You assume you are not doing new thing. It's just like when we have new page, if you want to add a new page, I will just click add page. If I want to work with something that I've been working on before, look at, you scroll, can you see I scroll up? When I scroll up, look at what I have on my page. This is the total interface for the page when you open newly. So this is for all page. So when you open it, you have this. So it shows that any work that you do when you have page, after you edit or you design or you create a landing page, this is where it will save. It will save automatically here after you published. It will save automatically. But remember, if you don't publish, it's not going to save automatically. It assumes you have not created anything. So please, let's take note of that. So when you do that, don't worry, I will just take us through the process as I'm going to do, but I just want you to understand this interface. So as you are seeing here now, so this is the total interface. Any work you are doing, any new work that you do, once you publish it, will automatically come and save here. That is where you see all pages. Then add page, either I had page from underneath or I had page from this interface. So then I click on add page. So let's see where it's going to take me to.
I realize the water now. I don't know. Check him. I'll let you people see. Go and put inside his cage.
Please help me to mute, please. Unless I'm asking a question. All right, so look at the next page that is taking me to. This is the next page is taking me to. So Can you see on the next page now? I have what? Edit with Elementor. If you are not having this on your page, that means you cannot edit with Elementor. So you must be able to see. You must be able to see edit with Elementor on at the top there. You see a symbol, W symbol. That's a WordPress. Then you have a positive sign. Then edit with Elementor. So then at the other side, which is your right side, you will see something like publish, status, publish, log, author, template, discussion, then parents. So this is where the first work is done. So anything you do, you have to publish it before it will become live. And the work of this publisher here is just like, so any name that you are given, that any title that you want to add, maybe I want to design something for, let's say, for a fan. So maybe my design is about a fan. I want to design something for a fan. So what I will just do, my title here, I will add title. So title is just like, is about what you want to design. Maybe the product I want to advertise, or maybe service I want to advertise. Either product you want to advertise or service you want to advertise. This is the landing page. This add title, this is where you are going to add the title. So you just add, maybe let's say I want to design a landing page for a fan or a product, any product, maybe leather bag, whatsoever product that you want to advertise. I will just type fan. Because I always tell my students that you don't need a long name. Let it just be short. Why? Because you might need to give someone maybe your link, your landing page link, in case you don't have it at hand, for easy remembrance. For easy remembrance, for you to just remember in time, just look for a shorter name. For maybe you want to sell a bag, you can just say bag. Maybe you want to sell maybe service like real estate, you can say property. Real estate. Just let it be together. You don't need to stretch it. Let everything be together. No need of putting a space. Are we getting? Just put fan, like here now, a fan, maybe real estate. I'll just put real estate. Can you see the way I'm saying? I'm writing real estate. I didn't put space. Then also I can as well, maybe property, whatsoever, maybe leather bag. Leather bag, can you see? Without space, everything is together. If you remember, I don't know, when we are opening our website newly, I don't know, maybe as in there's a stage whereby we have to go to the permalink. I don't know, permalink. The permalink where we are going to change this permalink to post name. You know, we have different way that we are going to, as in our permalink will appear. So whereby we need to go and tick the post name.
Light skills.
Yeah.
On behalf of light skills.
Hello, somebody, please, can you comment, please?
To parent hangout.
Sorry, please, can you help us to mute, please?
This is a time for you to network, connect with other parents, and just have fun. We hope you'll be available to attend.
Let me see this person. Ibukun. Madam Ibukun, please.
Everything will be available. All we need is a commitment fee of 20,000 naira. And
all right, please. I have to mute her. I don't want to force to mute anybody. I don't want to be forced to mute or to mute anybody, but if it will allow me to mute that, so just please, if I'm not asking for a question, please, it's not necessary you unmute. So it's when I'm asking a question, I just need an answer, then you can just unmute. If not, it will be creating noise, background noise, and other people, it will be disturbing other people from learning, please. All right, so what I will now do next, so leather bag. So since I'm not doing leather bag, let's just say fan. I'm doing a fan. Fan. All right, so since I'm doing a fan, I can put fan. So after you have done a fan, so what next? If you look at my right side, at the top, you are going to see a publish in blue. Publish beside something like look like how will I say, a black. There's a black at the top. So there's a screen looking like a screen. What's happening to this thing now? There's a screen. So what you now need to do from there, you now click the publish. You click it. Can you see, as you are clicking the publish, it appears again. So you have to click it twice. Then I click it again. So when I click it again, can you see? It's saved automatically. It's telling us that it is live. Can you see? Fan live.
Just that
Live. Fan.
you always want to make a bank.
Please
Okay.
help us yourself.
No,
Please,
Hey, let me do it.
please. Please, our microphones on. Please. Can you help us to mute whosoever is our microphone is on, please. All right, so that I can easily have a smooth class. All right, so then, can you see that the showing fan is now live? So that means as it is now, when other people open from the end, anywhere in the world, globally, anywhere, it will appear to them and they will see, because it shows that it's live. That is the first step we do. We have to name the title, give a title to whatever we want to advertise. Then after giving the title to whatever we want to advertise, so what next we do is just like then we publish it. After we publish, then we now go to edit with Elementor. They are not getting me, please. Edit with Elementor. Then I would now click edit with Elementor. So you see, edit with Elementor. After clicking on edit with Elementor, let's see where it will take me to. So let's see the next page it will take to. I will not see now. See where it's taking me, where it brought me to. So it now brought me to an interface where I can now do my work. So it brought me to an interface where I can do my work, where I can now do the editing, where I can do the designing, where I can do the editing. So that's where it brought me to. All right, so I think the mouse is working now. All right, so it took me to my landing page. I mean, I want to design the landing page for us. So can you now see? So normally, we are not meant to see this digital class that we are seeing here. We are not meant to see it. So how do we remove it? That's the first question we need to ask. So once we come here, because we want to design a landing page, so we are not meant to see, all these are meant to be on page. This digital class, that is our title, site title. Digital class is our site title. Then we delete quality results. That is our tag. That's our tag. All these on our own page. So please mute your mic. Who is that person? Please mute your mic, please.
So okay, mute them.
Please.
You can mute them from your end too, sir.
Yes, I know. I don't have to be doing that. I'm in the class. I don't have to be doing that all the time. If I'm not asking questions, if I don't ask a question, please, it's just for us to, it's a norm for us to just mute our microphone, please. But I can see some microphones that are muted. All right, so then this digital class is not supposed to be appearing there. It's supposed to be on our own page, and which is called our site title. Then also we deliver is our tag, site tag. This is the tag. So how do we remove it? That's the first question, because once you enter here, you always see it. So how do we remove it? That's the first thing. So we navigate ourselves also. We go to this Can you see this?
Excuse me, sir.
Can you see where my mouse is? Page settings. That is where my mouse is. Page setting. So I click on page setting. Oh God. Oh, wow. Sorry, I'm with you. My mouse, sorry, is the mouse trying to just. Okay, so it's there where I want it now. So can you see now, we have a page layout under it. This is a page layout. So what I will do, can you see in front of it is default. So in front of it is default, then I will click it. Then change the font to Elementor Canvas. So that's the thing I will do. Once you come here, you always see digital class. For you, it might not be digital class. It might be something else because we are not using the same domain. We are not using the same website. So then click the Elementor Canvas. And let's see what will happen. So automatically it's going to change. Can you see now that I can no longer see it again? So that's the first step. Once you enter, after you put your title, you publish. You click the publish twice because if you don't click it twice, it will not be live. So once it's live, that live means every other person can see now from anywhere in the world. So now, whatsoever thing we now do, once we publish here, it will be appearing to people all over the world. So then now, the first thing that we need to do, we need to understand everything about this interface. We need to understand everything about this interface. So on the top, at the top, at the top, you see at the top, you see plus. These plus take us to our widget. All these things that you are seeing here, they are widget. At the right hand side, can you see? They are the widgets. Sorry. So I'll just mute. It's all right. I've done that. So then the next thing we do now, this is called our widget. Without this thing, there's no how we can design. Without this thing, there's no how we can build our landing page. They are very important. They are the widgets. Widgets in sense of anything we want to design, they are here. We just need to take them here. Either we drag or we click on it. Because gone are those days that we have to drag it. We have to drag and what's it called? We hold it. We have to hold it and we are dragging it. But we don't need to drag. We don't need to drag. Sorry, my mouse is messing up. But notwithstanding, if the dragging is not coming through, So we can always click it, then we do what we want to do. So the first thing now that I need to explain, this plus here, where my cursor is add elements. So that is where we click to get to our widgets. So that means if everything is not appearing, that is, you are not seeing this interface. This, say again, when you are building your website, just come to this plus, click the plus, it will take you back to this. It will take you back to this widget site. Then also we have the angle. Then the page with the angle, we don't really use the angle. Then we have this page settings. This page setting, that is where we have our setting for our page. Like now the page was showing, what's it called? Our site tag. I mean, and also our site title that we don't need. So here we come here to change our page setting. Also this place, the next one, this place is history. This place is history. This history shows us any work that we do. I don't know if you remember, what's it called, that CorelDRAW, that we use CorelDRAW. No, those days that we use CorelDRAW. But anything that you do, it will be saving step by step, like history. So that any step that you take, like as we are going through the landing page, that we'll be navigating through, so that you see the function, how it works. Then also, let's come to this this side. Beside what where just follow my cursor. So where beside the fan, you can see this thing is telling us, showing desktop. Then beside it is showing tablet. So we have a tablet. Then beside it is showing what? It's showing mobile portraits. So these three things that you are seeing, there are three gadgets that we always use basically for design. And these three gadgets, these are all what people use, either to access ads or whatsoever thing we want to access online. Desktop, we use desktop to access anything. Maybe if you're at home, your laptop, your desktop, you can use it to access anything you want to access, your Facebook, whatsoever thing, your social media. And also sometimes you cannot be going around with a desktop. Sometimes if we don't use our laptop, it's desktop, we can't be carrying our desktop all around. So that's why we have our gadgets called tablets as well. So then we can always use our tablets too. Then that means if we are designing, I can change the fonts, the font page to be in form of a tablet. Then also I can as well change the font of it to be for mobile. So that means it will be mobile friendly. Those that are using phone, when they look through your landing page, it will be mobile friendly. When they see it, it will look more fine and okay. It won't be as if when somebody is using desktop, it will just be scattered. Are we getting? So once we are doing the landing page design, we can always come here to put it or take it to our normal taste. That's what we need it to be. The kind of format may be easy for tablets. We design it in form of that. We do. And also if it is for what? For our mobile, but always know that our design is always from desktop. We always do our design, our building from the desktop. From us, after the desktop, we can always now size it to fit into our tablet, or size it to fit into our what? Our what's it called? Our mobile, which is our phone. That's that. So this what's it called? This particular after that we have this. This is just like a notification. This is like this one is a search. What's new is like a notification. That's the meaning. What's new? Notification. Then this is a finder. They just use the name finder. It's the same thing as a search button. Search button when you want to search for something too as well. The structure. Then this is preview. If you want to preview after you've designed, you want to preview it without seeing the widget. This is where you just click it. Then after we are done with our designing, we have to publish it. This is where publish is. So after you publish, this pink, what's it called? This purple color. I mean, it's not a, but this is a, what would I call this color? It's purple. It's still purple. I can call it a lilac, purple, or purple is purple. So once you click it, it will turn black, almost no color. So that's everything about this top surface. I mean, this the two surface here. This is a two surface or two bar surface, two bars. So that's that. Then the widget. This is where our widget is. We have headings. We have paragraph, we have button, we have to, any work we want to do is located here at the widgets. It's located here at the widgets here. So, it's just need to be, can you see we have different text, we have submit button, we have anyone you want. There are lots of, as we are going through it, then we get what we want. You can see YouTube too. YouTube is there. That means you just want to go, you just need to go and copy the link and paste there. So as we are moving on, you understand some of these widgets I'm talking about. So they are what we used to, what we need to design. All right. So moving forward. So the next thing we need to do now, let's say, because so everything that you are designing, there must always be, I will need, all right, so I will still navigate because I will need picture. I will need picture. So what I need to do now, the widget. So the first thing, okay, the center one, I'm here to take you through this one. The one, so that means every editing that we are doing, we always do our editing from our left hand side. Look at the left hand side where the cursor is. That's where we do our editing. So anything we are doing here, so the preview will be here at our right hand side here. So that's where we get our preview at this right hand side. So then the first button that we have is plus. That plus button, that is where we add our what's it called? That's where we add our flex box. We have flex box. Those are the layouts. How the layout of our page will be. The layout, how we want our page layout, I mean, our page want to look like, how the way it's going to look like. We have a flex box, we have a grid. This grid will just be like something ... So we are not using the grid. So for this course, we are going to be using Flexbox. So we are going to be using Flexbox. So this is the Flexbox. So how did I get to the Flexbox? Let me take you back again. Can you see these three signs, these three symbols? We have plus. We have this something that looks like envelope. This is where our folder is. And we have this something that looks like X is like a starter template. So then we have this is where we can get our folder. When I click it, you see blocks, pages, templates. So that means these pages means where we have templates automatically. We can always come here to get templates, get our templates, any template that you like here. Once you click it, it appears on your landing page. Then we need to start editing. But that is not what we want to do. Then this place, the other template here that I click here, it shows that anything that you save, I can always come here to export. If I export it, I will go and download the link, then give somebody else. That means any landing page that I design myself that look beautiful, I can give it to somebody else. To just, okay, take it to get it and insert it on your own website. I mean, on your own landing page, just insert it there. Because this is where you click the once the person inserts it on this landing page, it will appear automatically for the person. That's the meaning. So templates, pages, then the block. Then I will close this again. Oh, we all know how we got here. So I don't want to move too fast. I need my class to be engaging as well and interactive. So hope you all know how I got to this what's it called? The template and page and blocks. So I need someone to tell me to answer that. Hello, are we all with me? Okay, yes, sir. Okay. All right, I think I can get some feedback. All right, thank you. Thank you for that. So then, let's just move into the business of the day. I want to create a landing page. So the first thing I need to do, I'll just take us through some tools, then maybe try to get a particular website. Then we'll just try to replicate that. We'll just try to replicate it. Then the first thing you would do after you have removed the page layout, you know, I told you the first thing, after you've added your title and you've edited, you publish, edit with Elementor, and it brought you down here. After it brought you down here, the next thing you need to do, go to your page setting. Something that this thing that is looking like at your top, at your toolbar, this thing that is looking like what's it called? Looking like an envelope. It's looking like an envelope. It's looking like an envelope. So can you see? You just click it, you get your page layout from there. So then the next thing now, the first thing we need to do, we always know that anything we want to sell, there has to be an heading. So we start with our heading. So how do we get to our heading? Then you click plus. This is our plus. Then you add it. Then the next thing, I select the first structure, which is this. Can you see the plus up here? It has appeared up. So can you see my plus? I mean, the plus, the drag widget is still there under. Then I have it here. Up here. So it's appearing up already. It's appearing up here already. So the next thing I will now need to do, can you see, look at your left-hand side. Look at your left-hand side. Can you see that the widget is no longer showing? So for some people, they will be confused that what is happening? How do I navigate myself back? So that's what we are. So it's very easy. So what you just need to do here, I told you that just go to this plus sign. Once you cannot see your widget, come to this plus sign, then click it. Then it will take you to a widget. Can you see? It has taken me to my widget. Then how do I start my work now? So since I've clicked my plus, the flex box, then the first structure I added, then I need to now add my heading. So the heading is showing here. It's 2 weeks. But for this course, because my this thing is not that the mouse is not really functioning well. I don't know, it's just dragging. So what I would need to do now, I will just click on the heading. It's 2 ways. Either you drag it or you click it. Once you click it, it will appear automatically on what you first click. Can you see? It appeared. This is the title. I didn't drag it. You can either drag or click. So what do I need to do now? I told you that the one at our right-hand side is just showing us that this is where we are going to be previewing. Every work we are doing, we are going to be seeing it there. But every editing that we want to do, every edit that we want to do is going to be here at our left-hand side, where my cursor is. So what do I need to do here? I will come and delete. Yeah. Then write the title of what I want to sell. Since it's fan, I can say rechargeable fund. Can you see? Anything any work you want to do is here at your left hand side, not at the right. Your right is just for you to be seen, viewing what you are seeing, working at, what you are working on your right hand side. So then it will just be displaying at your right hand side there for you to know if you are correct or not. Then if you want to correct, you go back to there again. So can you see? Then fan, rechargeable fans. I can as well put solar rechargeable fan. Solar rechargeable fan. Solar. Can you see? Solar rechargeable fan. So if I don't want this color to be black, I can change it. If I don't want this color to be, I can change the font color. That is what is called a font, because this is a font. Here we can call it typography. Topography. So I will see. So what we just need to do now. So can you see here? You can see general at the top on my left hand side. General.
Hello, sir. Sorry, sir.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
I can hear you.
Sorry, sir. Okay, sir. Please, I'm lost. Try to follow you. I'm doing mine too on my system. I don't know how we got to for you to see this title where you are working on now. Mine, after the click, I click the plus sign, and
after what?
Where you have the plus sign envelope and the star in the middle. So I click the plus sign, but I'm not seeing the title by the left, so that I can be going with you, please.
You can't see the title. I will tell you, you can't see the title. It's not the plus that they bring it. Okay, is it the title beside the E, or which one?
Yes, the title by the left, where you are working on now. So how you imputed solar.
Yes, yeah, okay. Let me do it again. The title will surely bring you back to your widgets. Because can you see, I click it. I click this title plus. It brought me back to this widget.
Okay.
Are you getting it, sir?
Yes,
so because let me delete this thing. If I don't want it, let me close it. Can you see this? It's just that it's quite unfortunate that this my mouse. I don't know. The mouse is just started. Is malfunctioning. So that's the. So, but let me see try. So, can you see this thing here? Where my mouse is plus this star 3 dot, then this exit sign. So if you don't want it, you just click it, delete. Can you see that? I don't have anything there to preview again. So now the next thing I will now do, I will add this plus, then the flex box, then the next one. Can you see the plus that it appears up again? Is above the normal drag widget here. Hope you are getting
it. Yes, but it's not appearing on my own. After we publish imputed title as what we want to sell, as you said, we will now publish and now come to this page. I don't know, the mine disappeared, or the stuff I typed. I don't know if I clicked something wrong or what. I'm not seeing the own, but I'm not seeing anything on my page again. And I'm not seeing the 3 dots.
Are you able to get to this element where I am?
Yes, I'm there.
Well, you are able to get here that I am.
Yes, sir, I'm there.
Okay, and you click the live and live the live that I told you, publish twice. Then click edit with the monitor, and you're able to get. So once you're able to get here, good. Did you see this these 3 icon here at the middle here? These 3 icons.
I can see the drag and yes, I can see that.
Okay, good. Can you click this plus that my mouse is pointing at?
Okay, done that. Flexbox and grid.
Yes, after that,
I told you that the budget of the budget of the party last year was it close to now this year it's 2.8. So we're looking at the budget. I'm actually looking at
let me
this has gone up by about 800 pounds. How are we going to do it now? So okay, the decoration will look of 450,000.
All right, so let's move on. Sorry for that. So the next ahead, like you were saying, you said, okay, after you click the plus, it gave you Flexbox, right?
Flexbox and grid, but the error message showing on my system safe mode on, disable safe mode. And if I click that, it tends to start afresh. So it's sort of blocking. I'm not seeing those three highlighted lines up, the plus, 3 sign, and X. I'm not seeing it on my own, sir.
Okay, I'm coming. This Flexbox that you are saying, are you seeing this Flexbox?
Yes, sir.
And also this grid, are you seeing it?
Yes, I'm seeing the two of them.
Can you click the Flexbox again?
Okay, I should click on the Flexbox. Okay. Now say showing some structures.
Yes, that is it. You are seeing this thing that you are seeing on my screen, right?
Yes, select your structure, yes.
Click on the first one. It will take you to what you are not seeing.
The one with arrow down, direction column.
The first one that or at the top, that first one that with arrow pointing is it left? That first one. Have you seen it? Just click on it.
No, sir.
Okay, again,
which one, sir?
Look at it. Look at it. Can you see this one? I click on this first one that the arrow is pointing down. This first one. Look at where my mouse is. The cursor. Can you see this one? This one. Can you see? Direction column. Hello, are you with me, sir? I think I've lost you. I've lost him. So I have to move on. But I want to believe everybody can navigate ourselves here. We can. All right. Are you there, sir? Are you there now?
Yes, I can see it.
We are here, sir.
All right. So you will not click. Can you click? Can you see the cursor where it's pointing at? You click it. That arrow pointing down. You click it. After you click it, see what you are going to see. The plus sign, this dot, and the exit sign like a close. Are you seeing it? Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you. So that's it. So let me close because I have many. I don't need to open many down. So I close it. So can you see it's at the top? So now there are two ways. So as it is now, sometimes this, if you look at your left-hand side, the widget. So who is writing on my screen, please? Somebody is writing on my screen. So please, I don't need that, please. So we have the widget here at the right-hand side. Sir, are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Can you see this widget
Yes,
here?
sir.
All right,
yes,
all right,
with you.
All right, so since you can see this widget, good. So then the plus that you just created now, you click on it, click that plus. Because if you don't click on it, we will not assume that, because anywhere you want to work on, you have to click on it. So as you are click on it now, can you see? So it will bring you, it will automatically give you the widget at the left-hand side. And if you are not seeing the widget, you come and click this plus on this left-hand side. This plus beside this E symbol. But it's showing us, so we don't need to click anything. So what we just need to do now, we need heading, because I need heading. I need to title this my heading. Sorry, I don't know this person that I wrote on my screen. I need to clean this, what the person does did. Thank you. I need to, so please don't write on the screen. No. We are all matured here in the class. All right, so I've taken it off. All right, so what next is that now heading, because if you are selling, you must have a title. Without that, we will not know what you are selling. So what I will now do, can you see heading here? So if you cannot see heading, so you can always use your search button. Can always use your search button to get to navigate. So if I see, look at my search button, I can type searching. Can you see now? I mean, sorry, it's not searching I'm looking for. I'm looking for heading, so we just type heading. Can you see now? So there we have two types of heading. Then we can as well use any of it. But for this purpose of the class, we are using this heading. So then we have two ways we can always bring our widget down to what is here in the middle. But because the mouse is not working, so we can, that's why I said, can you see, there must always be another way around it. So now that I cannot move, but for those that have, that are not using mouse, on your center cursor, on your this thing, you are going to right click, just click on your right click and hold your cursor in the middle. Use it to drag this thing down to this plus. But because I can always, instead of me dragging it, I will just click on the H heading. It will automatically appear for me. Can you see? Instead of dragging. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir. You can see it.
Yes. Yeah. So as that, then I will now close it. Then I will delete everything because that's not, I will have to put my own title. So I have to delete it. So once I delete it, what next? Because I want to advertise something. So I have to put the title of what I want to advertise. So then what I will just do, solar. Bros, I'm saying solar rechargeable. Is your left, you'll be looking at me. You'll be typing, then you look at your, like, those days that we use typewriter or computer, as you are using your typewriter, you'll be typing with your hand. You'll be using one eye, or two eyes to look at the other thing that you are doing. So that's the same way. So I will not type. What I'm going to type in now, solar rechargeable. Solar rechargeable fan. Can you see now? Solar rechargeable fan. So once I have that, I'm okay. So I might not like this particular color that I'm seeing, or it might be too small. I might need to enlarge or move it away from where it is because it's not making sense for me, or it's not fine. So I can always do a lot of things to this my heading. So where do we do that? Still at the top where we have heading, can you see general, style, and interactions? So we just come directly to this style. We click on the style, on this style. Can you see where it's taking me to? It's taking me to page layout. So you can always do a lot on your page layout. The way it's going to display. So let's be test running blog. Flex. Inbox. That means if it's very long, it will bring it together. That's the meaning. Can you see? Can you see what is happening? So you must always see the work of this, because I always tell my students that the basic advantage of this thing, yes, the widgets are there, But it is now left for us to now navigate more. You navigate more. Practice more with this thing. That's how you get used to it. Then you'll be a professional. You'll be good at it. But if after this class, as I'm living it, you are living it, you will not know it. It is something will leave you. That is just the thing. But if you keep practicing it, it's going to be part of you. So then I move on to, because the page layout is not what I want to do here. But now, justify the context. Can you see? Then I need the direction. The direction is, if I want it to be at the center, at the middle, can you see? Let's see. That side. So that is direction. That is what we want. We are doing a lot of things. That's when that one we have. That's when that one the function will work. So then align our items now. It will take it to either side. Take me to this side. What's happening? Okay. It is where it is. Can't be my network. I'm supposed to be align our items means it has to be at the center.
How we back to the argument.
Okay. It's you. Okay. Coming to get something right. Okay. Can you see? Something was wrong there. Can you see? It has to take me to middle left. Can you see? It has to take me here. Should take me here now. What's happening?
Same here too, sir. Now it's not moving too.
You said what, Sam?
I said same here too. My solar rechargeable fan is not moving too.
Okay. So I'm trying to see. Okay. The block. So once it's doing, sometimes if you do like that, that means we just have to create another one. Just have to create another one. Or we have to create another one. So then we have okay. So let's just click another one. Let's see. Maybe because of the block that was on top of it. That's why. Let me try to see. Try to see. Okay. Sometimes if you have something like that, so can you see this history? So can you see this history that I click here? Is beside this envelope at the top, where the E is. So myself, I can just go to history down. from the beginning. You have a history. Can you see? So from where he started from, I can always bring it down to where I started from. So that's where the history is. Can you see? So when you made mistake, or maybe I've done a lot of work, or then mistake, you just go back to your history. You can now start from there instead of me deleting and deleting. So from there now, I can now pick it up from there. So then what I will just do here, I click on this thing. Can you see that there's no way I can know that I want to edit? Yeah. Because I'm supposed to be typing something or doing something, but there's no way I can know. So what you now need to do, you just come here, click at this center. Because if you don't, it will not show you what you want. I don't know. Please, as we are joining in, please help us to mute. I don't want to be forced to mute us here. I don't want to be forced to mute us. Please, once you are joining, help us to mute so that it won't distract the class. So can you see? You must always click this thing so that it will take you to. Can you see my interface has changed at the left hand side to where I want to edit? So
Yes, I can see it, but we don't know if you got that from your history or you created a new one. Remember, you said one was not working.
Yes, I did create another one. That's why I said click on your history so that I won't go and waste time. You can always click another one, deleting. You can as well, instead of clicking deleting. So am I talking to, who is the person talking to me, please? The name.
Edwin on the signing. Edwin. From the history now.
Okay.
Yes.
So that I won't go and mute you.
Yes,
I was
from the history now. Did you choose
okay.
Which one would you choose? Because there are many things: display, heading, display, edited.
Yes.
You just click any of them.
Yes, yeah. So if you start clicking any of them, it will be displaying where you are. If it is not where you want, you go to history again and click again until you get to where you want. Look at this one. Look at this one now. Look at as I click the edit. So you can see that it's many. But the job that we started with, can you see? I will scroll down. Can you see? I will scroll down. All this is what we have done since we started. All this they are what we have done since we started. So I think because it's heading, this is my first heading that I clicked when I started. Are you getting? So I will click it. So after clicking it, that's why it now brought me here. Because that's where I started heading title, because I put title. Let me put, can you see? Heading added. Heading added. It brought me back here. So, but if I now want to edit this thing, I want to work on this to edit it, I must always click on that solar rechargeable panel at this center so that it will bring me back to what I am editing. I'll just click on it. Now this is solar rechargeable fans. It has brought me there. Then I will now go to style. Then after going to style, so what I will just need to do, come back to this page layout. Then I can now be moving it left hand side. Can you see now that it's working? Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? So I can put it in the center, at the center. I can put it at extreme right. I can put it at the extreme left, or put it at the center, whichever way I want it. Then space. I can always work with this space. Always work with this space. Padding is just the edges. So padding is just the edges. We want to do any edges, like let's see. I want to increase it. Let me increase this one. You see that it's moving it up or down. As it is, let me see. 14. That is giving me margin up. I don't need this. So I just delete it then because I don't need it. So the next thing I will do now, I will go to size. The size now, size. So take it back. I need the height. So it's working with the box like this. So you see, it's including the box. But I don't need this. I remove. So I come to position. Okay, nothing to do. We don't have anything to do here. So let's do background. I mean, topography. This is where we do some of the work. Topography. If I don't want this type of text, I can change the text. Because this one, Ford family, I can change like we always write. Roman, time romance, area or Badana. So as I'm clicking, it will be changing. If you change to time, can you see that's our family? You always get that one at your typography. Can you see Georgia? In the front. Whatsoever thing you want, if you don't like you can always change. I change it here too. I can always change. So let's leave it at so we have to. So then the next thing now, font weight. You know the meaning of weight. This character is. Can you see? You see it's so different. Please mute yourself, please. Let me just get this person. If not, I'll remove that person from here. I have to meet everyone. So if you want to talk, I'll just allow you to talk. So then, team, can you see that it's getting more bolder? Can you see? That's weight. So you can practice a lot of things. Just text, try and you text. Just do the testing. You can make error. You just try and error everything. Just do to get down. Just for you to get a desired result, a desirable result, a desirable result. So then we have fonts. Look at this font. Font is how big you want it to look like. Can you see? Like our normal typing, 56. That one is too big. Can you see that it's bigger? Can you see where we'll be changing? Our font size. That's how we applying.
I'm gonna send this.
Can't be muting. So that's it. Then what other thing? Background. So background need, if I don't want the background to look white, I can always come in. Let me say, okay, color. Can you see that the background is no longer white? It's no longer white. I can always change this to any taste. Come here, black or red or whichever way you want it. That's how it will appear. So then, for the content edges. Right, so that's that one. Because we are meant to close by, so let me just quickly do by 9. I'm supposed to be out of here on or before 9. So now we have this border color. Border. So that's the edges. You know, like a border, it will be the edges. Let me change to another color. That's that. Then from there we have effects. So all this, you just be doing trial and error, test them. That's how you work with this. So that's how we work. So now, after that one, so that's done. That's how you do your text. So now I want to add another thing. Maybe I want to add picture. So what I will just do, I will now click on plus again. Any new thing you want to do, go back there, click on plus, then click on your Flexbox, then click on the first one. If I want to do 2 images together, I won't click on the first one. So depending on the numbers of things you want, if you want it to appear at once, you click on this one. So that means here I can bring. So you can see now that at your left hand side, you are not seeing any widget again. So what you just need to do, click on this plus sign. I told you. You won't be saying a minute. Click it. And you see, it's taking me to my widgets. But I need image. So I first click on what I want. Then I click image. Are we getting? Then you now come to where the image is to come and for now, I don't have any image for now. So let me just try to do. Okay, let me just use this fan. Let me use this image. Can you see? Then I click on this next one. This is where I click on the image too. No, I'm not adding more. My mouse. Oh, this is my mouse. And so let me go back to history. Can you see? Since I cannot navigate with my mouse, what will I do? I go back to history. Look at where the last one that I did. Can you see? I go back to my history again. I think this one, okay. Let me go back to history. Can you see? It's okay. Can you see that brought me back? That's not where I want. Okay, this is where I want because I don't have anything here. Ah, oh, I don't know why. Okay. Only to take me there. It's not supposed to come. So that's why I will need to drag it. This one will need dragging. This is my mouse swag. Let me go back to my distance. Sorry, I'm just trying. So what I'm trying to do, okay, I can drag now. Can you see? It's because of the mouse, so it will stay. Can you see? It's because I was putting title, but it's not title I want to put there. So thank you. So if I come here, I come back to my widgets. So because I need image, can you see? Let me drag, stay. Can you see now? Yeah, I will come again, come and put another picture that I want. Select. Because I have, if you don't have picture, you come to this upload file. The picture that you have on your phone, then you come, click select files. That if you don't have picture, so that's what you are going to do. Then maybe on your, I don't know, you have a picture, you now select some picture that you saved down. Select it and it will pop up for you. So let me just click this picture. You see that it will open. Can you see? It has appeared. It has appeared here. So, but I don't need it. So because I have picture here already, I'll just go click on the picture that I want, then click insert into post. Can you see? It's by sleeping. Can you see as it's loading? So can you see that it's making more sense? It's making more sense. So we keep building like that. So it's not fast. I don't know, maybe I guess the network supposed to be more faster than this. So can you see? Can you see? I don't need this one again. I will just click on it, then press this close because I don't need it. Can you see that it has disappeared? So let me just try to see if I still have this. Okay, I think I see her. Okay. Trying to open the dashboard. Can you see? You just be looking at this, then to make something similar like this. So if you don't have anything to do, I mean, so always come here. So that's why I always advise that if you have a template or you have some maybe you have a website or landing page that you saw that you want to replicate, so you just come here. You can click on this thing. Can you see? Save as image. If I save this in as, you go and save on my system straight. Can you see? I can always save it. It will be there. So that I can design something that looks like this or better. So this one now, I want to put this word. I want to put this word here that I'm seeing. Let me copy it. Let me copy it. So let me now come back to where I'm editing. So now, I want my own word. So what do I do again? I click plus. I can always make another work here. What's it called? Editor. So please, hope we are all getting it so that I won't just be moving on at my own pace. Please, I need a confirmation. Hello.
Yes, I was following, but we didn't know how you get the second image after you added the first one and how you inserted it into the space.
We are following, sir.
Okay. All right. So what I just did, so let me share my screen. Let me share my screen again. Stop my sharing. All right. So can you all see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we can.
All right. So what I did now, but you know how I got this through, what's it called? So let me delete it. I've deleted. So I'll do it for the last time. I click on this. Then look at these three. You know, we have this select your structure. We have the first one, we have the second one. I click on this third one. This third one that has 2 columns. Are you getting? Because I need more picture. I need picture to be more than one there. So after I click on it, then I click on this first one. Then after that one, I told you that you can click either this center, click this one, then I click the plus. So then I need the image to come here. Sorry. So then the positive here, so that will take me to my widget. Then I drag this image, drag it here. That's the first thing I did. Then I come to this left, where the image is. Where the image is, this one. Then I click on the select image. And I said, if you don't have any image on your, library, media library, so you can always upload. So look at the upload, I'll be under the media. I'll just click on the upload. Then select files. So it will take you to your computer library, your picture where you sell it. Can you see? I have this. So I can just select any picture that I want. I can just select any picture that I want. The one that I just copy now, where is it? Let me see download. Oh. Trying to see the image. I don't know the image that is there. Okay, that is correct. All right, so after that one, so what I will now, after you uploaded, because I uploaded, because I don't want this one, I will still use it. Then I will come to this place. Then I will click insert into post. Can you see it has appeared there? So the first one that we need to work on, then I click on it again. I click this plus up, then come to image. I drag it. Sorry, that ignore it. I come back to setting. Can you see? Can you see? Then I now look for then the same thing. Insert into post. Can you see? It has brought me back again. I can always write something here, but let's see if it will work. So I can always put something here under it. Can you see? It appears under it. Are we getting? So I can always make it in a different ways. So we just need to do test and try and test. We need to do trial, test, error, everything together. So it's making more sense. Can you see it's making more sense? So I can move further again. I say, okay, let me look at this design again. Let me design something different. Oh, because there's a video here. The video, you have to download this video from maybe YouTube. If you have a video, because I don't have the video, you have to go and download from YouTube. So when you download from YouTube, you can always post. I will tell you how to navigate that. So the next thing here, let me add another picture. Your picture is you must put something that will attract them, that once they see it, they will like it. So look at spacing, general, 10, because I have plus here. Because I need just one image, I click this plus again. Then I bring my image. Let me even put there, it will appear directly. So I come, then I click insert into post. Can you see? It's coming up. Can see the way my listing is looking. But people always want to see something that will attract them, that will make them to buy. I can create a carousel, a slide. Can you see? You see, it has finished. So I can always do a lot of things. So I don't want to take time because it's almost time. So let me just try to navigate to button. Because we can always, that's why you can see, you have the template aside, beside you. And what you just need to do, be copying and be pasting. This one too, I can always copy this one here. What is here? I can copy it and go and paste. Can you see? I can always have this one. Let me copy everything. It's you that will now go and make them. So can you see? I can copy it, then come here, then click plus, then click 1. Then what I need, I'll click plus here. Then because I need editor. This text editor. But that's where I can do all my paragraphs. If there's no paragraph, this one is, I'll just drag it. Or let me press it. Can you see? Then I will paste. Can you see that everything is here? Alignment, I need it in the middle. The alignment is not working for it. Because I guess the person did it differently. So that's why everything copied. So we have, let me just do center. Let me copy everything. Select everything. So after copying, let me comment. Okay. So the thing is just that this one, because the way it's made, I think he used a text. I'll be copying it now, gradually, little by little. He didn't join everything together. She didn't join everything together. That's why. But me, I copy everything. That's why it's not moving to center. But as you can see, it's still making more sense. It's still making more sense. You write, and again, I can still add another picture. You just be adding. So, but before any other thing, let me just teach us how we can get button. Button is when they come to your sites, they click on your this thing, they meet themselves on your landing page. Maybe your WhatsApp on lead, which is called the lead. They will just click on it, they meet you there. So we have this. The first one again. So this time around, we need to go and search for button. Sorry. We click on the button. So can you see, let me just click button. I can always, if I don't want to start scrolling, I'll just come here, type button. So can you see, we have two different buttons. Then I will click or drag. So let me drag. So because I don't have another, so if you have mouse, you drag. If you don't have mouse, just click on it. It will come here directly. Can you see? We have two different type of buttons. All this one, they have changed a lot of things. If I don't want a big button like this, I'll just click on the second button. So then, because I want people to come to my WhatsApp, once they come to my landing page, once they click on this thing, they should come to my WhatsApp directly. Then we start communicating. So like some of the leads that we are talking about, once the lead, you want to get people to come and buy your book, like our pastor talked about today. You want people to come and buy your book or you want to get their information or details. What you just need, you need them to click on this thing. Then they meet themselves on your WhatsApp page. So how do we do the magic? Very easy. So what you just need to do here, we go to another URL. We go to create dot link. Create.wa.link. Then I enter. So what I will now do here now, I will scroll down. I'll scroll up, then can you see here where create your free link here? Because there is pro and there's premium, there's pro. Then I'll come and input my phone number. Start with 0, start with 80, not, you don't put the first 0. 316 1205. And you see, then we come to add a custom message. For those that are selling maybe bag or books or anything that you are selling, so you can just construct something. You know, most of the time, somebody is raising hand. Somebody's raising hand. So please, I don't know, but can you just allow me to do this? And I will just take the question because we're almost done. So then we have this, customize your emoji, customize. You can add emoji, you can add anything there. Let's check the message. I'm coming. Thank you, coach, for the class. Please, sir. Okay. How do we add stickers and emojis? It's there for this one. You just click on it. It will appear. Then you just add anything you want to add. But for now, let me see. I don't want emoji now. So let me write what I want to write. Let me write what I want to write. We have, what's it called? Let's say, you want to buy something for me. I'll just say okay, so I can just say, I want, whichever way you want it. I want to get your solar fan maybe 85,000. You can ask 85K or 85,000, so that 85,000 is better, so that they won't tell you that they did not see. So I can add emoji here. If I want to write, I click the emoji. So how is the and? Let me search for, it will appear directly. Can you see? So I want to get your solar at this price. Then I will now say, kindly, or whichever, you have different write-up. You can add ChatGPT as well. Kindly fill in your details. Kindly fill in your details. Then I can now say name. The person who writes your name. I can say phone number. They have to fill it. Phone number, then address. That's what I need. Delivery address, because somebody might log, just go and write anything. Maybe address, or if the person is not there, where they want us to deliver. Delivery address. So that's all. But if maybe it's what you are selling comes in different colors, you just say color type. You can just tag them color type or whatsoever thing. So that's that. Then after that, I don't want to write anything more. Can you see that it's displaying everything I'm writing is displaying? So I'll just come here, click on generate my link. Can we all see the generate my link? I'll just click generate my link. So can you see what is bringing for us? Code, copy link, download QR. We don't have this long time to be doing download, but we just copy the link straight away. But you can see add as many emojis, but I'm just showing that's the way you add emoji. You can do down as many as possible. So what we now need to do now, then I go back to my landing page, where I'm designing. So I click on this again. So then here I can say, I can tap WhatsApp here because it's WhatsApp. WhatsApp. So I can say increase it. That has to be under setting. Then the link. This is where we add the link. The link that I copy, I paste it there. Can you see? I paste it there. I pasted it already. So then I can come here, style. Topography. Topography. or let's say the size. Topography, the way it will look like. The font size, let me increase it. Can you see? It's bigger. I put 66. If I don't want it bigger, I can put 50. 52 is big, but whatever. Depending as you are sizing it, you can be sizing it. So I think this one too is okay. So I should be able to change this color. Oh, so it came with a default color. So let me just be general. Wow, they've changed their thing. Bye. Background, let me see. Background. Now it comes with the customer's background. So let me change this color. Let me change it to green because WhatsApp look green. So it look more of WhatsApp. It look more of WhatsApp. I've changed the button to green. Then let me see another thing that I can do. Okay, where is still my topography? Topography. Okay, size. Then position, size, layouts. So let me see these layouts. So whichever one we want. Okay, is the other button, this one is just customized. The other button, we can resize it. Let me see this position. I've changed a lot of things. There are things we can use different effects here, but the effects that are not working here again. Effects they are not working. So what we want to achieve here now, so we have achieved, let's say, I've copied the link already and I've pasted there. So what I will just need to do, I will now go and paste it. So I will publish it. Let me see. Because if you don't publish, it will not go live. Can you see that the purple has changed to light black or something like that? So it shows already that I have saved it. It shows already that I have saved it now. So now let me go and enter through my another URL. It can be my phone. I just want to enter into my website to see how it will look like. Digital. Now slash. So now be slash fan because it's fan I'm advertising. So that is why I always tell people just so that it's easy. I can easily remember. Digitalclass.shop/fan is easy for me to remember. Then I'll just click enter. So let's see the way it will look like. Let me see what's happening. I'll save it. They found that slash. Sorry, did I write an yes, it's fine. It's fine now. Fun. Arguments. Publish. Does not apply here at the bottom. So let me see. So for now, for instance, now let's say I'm still coming. Let me preview. So this is the way the website will look when I preview it. Can you see? I've already designed. So can you see the way it will look? I can still bring something to this side if I want to do. Can you see? So if I click on this thing, can you see that it's taking me to my website, Joy Stores? It shows that I've registered my website to it already. I've registered my website to it already. So that's why it's taking me straight to Joy Stores. So that's the essence of that WhatsApp link. So it should take me there. Okay, back to my dashboard. My page, all page. So as it has closed, so how do I navigate back? I go to my pages, all page. Can you see? Can you see fan? So I've already, okay, no wonder. It's because I have two fans there. That's why it's not displaying. Can you see the error? So let me try to delete one. Let me see the one that is why it's not recognizing it. Can you see? Because as I entered the URL that time, it's supposed to show me what I built. But because I have two fans together, so let me see the one that is effective. The one that is not effective, I delete it. That's why as I type that one slash, I'm supposed to get there. So can you see it's not going? So let me just see what is here. If this one is not okay, I will delete it. Because you can't have two titles together. If you have two titles to be clashing, it will not appear. It won't give you. It will not give you your results. It won't give you what you want. That's what caused that the other time. No network will be fast ways. Can you see? I think this is the one I created is the one underneath. So I think I need that one. I think I need that one. So I will delete the first one. So this one, I will delete this one. Trash. Sorry. Ah. Let me see my trash again. Let me see all. Let me see all. It should still be there. Because I think I have not clicked that trash on that one. So there's no way to delete it. Can you see that it's still there? So then I will now trash it. Let me trash it. So to go and add to the trash. So thank God that it's even trash I put it. If not, yeah, I've not emptied it. I didn't have emptied it. It's a lot. So then, what next? Let me go back to what I was editing. So can you see I've done the WhatsApp, I've done this, I've done that. So that's the major thing that we do. Then the last one that we just do, then we call it a day. That's called WP form. The WP form. So how do you create your WP form? You come again, open your can you see now that it's displaying? The other time, because I have 2 fans, that's why it's not displaying. Can now show now because I deleted the one already. So then I need to navigate myself to my dashboard. Let me go to my dashboard, then plugin. Then after the plugin, I click on plugin. Sorry, what am I doing? I want WP form. So I come to my dashboard, look at my right-hand side, look at post media pages, comments, WP form. Because I want to believe that we've all downloaded the WP form. Then I click on the WP form, then I click on all. Then after clicking on all, then I click on add new. Any new thing you want to do. So if I don't want add new, I can just come here. I can duplicate any form that I've done before. If I don't want to stress myself, I will just duplicate the form, then re-edit it. That's all. But for this course, because I know it's not everybody that knows how to add it, I'll just go and click add new for my form. So we're almost done. To bring us to the page. So those are the things that we need to track on once we have this thing. What's it called? Business manager, Facebook of business manager. I'm linking up with our website. When you want to track event on it, they have to see the lead, they have to see the purchase is button. So once they see all these things, then definitely they are good. So then here now, you now put the title. Can you see the name of your form at the top? Name of your form. I'll just put fan because it's fan. I think I've done fan before, so that I won't go and do fan 2. So fan 2, then I come here. If I need a template that has been created, I will just click on this simple contact. If I want to build from the beginning, I click on create blank form. Hope we are all still here. Hello, can I get a yes?
Yes, sir. We are here with you.
Thank you. Thank you for the confirmation. So this is how we now do our form, WP form. So now that we have here, we have single line. So we can use anything. So I can just take this one. I will drag. Will this one all work like this? Okay, it did. So you can as well drag or click. So this one I just click because I don't have my mouse. I just click it, then it will appear directly. So like the other one, anything we want to do, any editing must always be at our left-hand side. Our right-hand side is just to preview, to be seeing what we are doing. So then I can, if I want to edit, I will first click like that or that one. I will click this one. Then it will appear on the left-hand side. Then I will come to the left-hand side to edit. Then name, I put name. I leave that. I can as well copy and duplicate instead of me copying, and I will just duplicate. Sorry. So duplicate, yes, I need. Are you sure you want to duplicate this? Yes, okay. Can you see? It brings me copy, click it, then go to this side and edit on my left-hand side. I will write phone number. Depending on any information or data you want to collect from your customer, that's what you'll be putting now, depending on what you want to collect. So it will determine what you are going to put here. You can write anything, you can write email, photo, color, whichever one, phone number. So don't let me copy again. Let me come again. If I want to navigate myself, I will click on add field. Beside the field option here on my left-hand side, add field. Can you see? Then I will click again. It appears. I click on the one that just appeared at my right-hand side so that I can get the editing side on my left-hand side. And you see, it brings me back. And I remove, then let me say email. For those that want email marketing, for those that want to get contacts, just write email. So there are ways. If you want, because there are information that customer, they might not want to fill everything, but you need all their information. If you need all their information, you just click required. Can you see asterisk is showing? Click this one. I click require for my left-hand side. Asterisk is showing. Again, I click require for my left-hand side. It shows that those that are asterisk, the customer, if they don't fill that form, the form will not be submitted. They have to fill it. It's important. So let's just say this is what we want. You can add as many as possible. You can add your check button, checkbox. Checkbox. That means you want them to maybe color, let's say color type. They have different things. Just tell them to check box. As in what they want. Maybe they want black. They want blue. They want red color. Then if I want to add more, I will just press plus on that in front of the red. I write yellow. But I still want more, I will click the plus again. This was for them to click. They can choose 2 or 3 together. That's mean of checkbox. So that means I'll know that they need 3 items together. So for now, so this is what we do here. Then we now come to the left-hand side. So any information you just want to give, just put it there. If this one is required, you need, if it is important for the customer to fill, come here again, the require under. Can you see the required? The require, you click it. So it shows that it's important for the customer. The next thing we come to our side here, that the cursor is the setting. Click setting. Under setting, what we want to work on, we want to work on our confirmations. Confirmation message. So look at it, say thank you. Look at your right-hand side. Thank you. Thanks for contacting us. We will be in touch with you shortly. So you can change it to anything you want. Maybe after they click, you just thank for your patronage. You can put down. You can say thanks for your patronage. You can say thanks for contacting us. You can say thanks, we'll be in touch with you. You can a lot. It's just the message that the customer will see after they have clicked on or they have made a purchase. That is that. Then notification. This is where we come Can you see notification? And once I will send to email address means the address I want them to send to. So I can send to my own address. Shuffle, share, and Gmail. Then can you see new fans to entry? It shows that that is the name of my fan. Then I come here, site administrator, then I put, what's it called? Admin. Because the name of admin that is there that was registered in the account are digital class dot shop. If it's your own, you can put admin. I don't know your name. You can admin at, depending if they don't change the admin name on your cPanel or on your dashboard. So that's what I put there. The next thing I will just save. And embed. You see, we want to embed because we need a code. So you just come here. Can you see we have existing page, new page, conversational page, short code. Is that short code that I need? So I will click on the short code. Can you see where it brought me to there? I will now click on the copy. I'll click on the copy. Then I now come back to my dashboard. Click the plus. What I need is, I need the short code button, but that's where we can put it. We type short code. Can you see? Because I have not clicked plus. Then short code. Can you see the short code is there? So then what I copied, I will now paste it here. Can you see it's here? Can you see that all the form that I built appears automatically? So people, when they come to my page now, can you see on my page, they can now fill their form. So now after that, then I can publish it, because if I don't publish it, it will not appear for people that want to buy. So I click on publish. And click on publish. Then lastly, can you see this desktop is in desktop? And now let me take it to the, what's it called? Tablet mode. Look at the way it will look like. Is it beautiful? If it is fine, I leave it. It's okay. Then phone, let me see how it look at on phone. Is it okay? If it's okay, I think this one too is okay. If not okay, we just need to do our normal setting. You click on that thing. You come here on your style, you reduce it to your normal taste. Then it will just go. Let me take it back to desktop. Then I've published. So let me now come my website. Okay. Dashboard. It's not my dashboard I need. I need to navigate through my website. So visit site. Sorry, slash, because it's fun that I did. So slash fan, because it's your page, landing page that you must always put there. So let's see. Can you see now? Even with my form. So can you see the way they will see? I can make it more beautiful, like this one that is empty here. I can see add something to it. I'll just click widget or bring something. Still make it more finer than this. So it's you that will be doing test running. So here the person can put their name, their email, Maybe they want this, then they submit. Let's see what will happen once they submit. Reloading. I'm not supposed to take this time now. Can you see now? It's the network. Thanks for contacting us. We will be in touch with you. That's the message that I left. So immediately that you see this, you will receive email in your box. Your email, you get your email in your, you get an inbox in your email. I mean, a message sent to your email telling you that somebody has filled your form. Are we getting? So this is where I'm going to stop tonight. So I don't know if there's any question before I will just call it a day. Any question? Any question?
Hello, sir. Okay, sir. Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
I can hear you, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much. Maybe when we practice, we'll get some of the things because from the notification aspect, I got lost after the notification. I input your email and the code. How you did that, and for us to add each layer, each line, does it mean that we'll have to go to the plus sign to add each box as on the page?
Yes, we want to put
that's my question. How to, after filling one part, how to go to the next? Thank you.
So anytime you want to create any new thing or you want to add image or anything, you have to go to that widget, add widget. You have to click on the plus, then click on the structure and click on one of the column, either one or two column, that for everything you want to do. So then the other plus at the left-hand side is just for you to, it's just to take you to your widget. You take it to your widget that, okay, this is what I want to go and drag, because sometimes it might not appear. So for you to bring it back, go to that plus add and click. Don't worry, the video will be sent. I think it's recorded. So you can still watch again. So any other question, please? Did I answer your question? But this
yes,
is
thank you very much.
You have to do more of it, practice and practice and practice and practice. But this video, when you see again the replay, it will help more, I guess. So I want to believe that no more question. So that we can just go and have a rest. It's a long day for me already since morning.
Thank you so much. God bless you, sir. You make this now easier for me to understand better, unlike when we were in class before. Thank you. I appreciate you, sir. God bless you, sir.
Yeah, man. Thank you. You are welcome. So the slide, the recording will be sent so that we can still work for those that don't get it. All right. Thank you so much. So I'm going to be calling it a day here. All right. Thank you so much. So see you. Bye.